This video is sponsored by the award-winning Daily Market Movements trading platform. To open a live or demo account, simply visit dmmtradingplatform.com. Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the S&P 500 futures chart. Just before I start today's video though guys, anyone who's interested in receiving my premium signals and daily market research, then please do not hesitate to scan this QR code on your screen. This will give you access to my private Telegram group chat where I provide all of those services. But let's start here by looking at the S&P 500, a very interesting area where we find ourselves trading, which is 3,988. And, I've been doing a lot of analysis on the S&P 500 over the long weekend, of course, because yesterday the markets were shut. And, on three separate occasions since the start of this sell-off that occurred from January 2022, when we've tested this downtrend, we've been met with a significant sell-off where we've gone and created, if I just get this pen, every single time we've hit it, we've gone and created a new lower low. And that's, obviously what's caused this massive downtrend to occur. And then, of course, on the 1st of December, we went up and tested it. And many thought that we were then going to go and create a new fresh low. And you heard analysts come out and say that, we're going down to 3,000, maybe 3,300. But that didn't happen. We actually just went down from a percentage perspective. Let me just find out what that figure was. We went down a total of 8%, which is a very significant decline. But that being said, we actually have now gone ahead and created a higher low. So this should be seen as a bullish movement. And that now kind of puts us, if I just draw that line, it kind of puts us in an uptrend, a minor uptrend. And, it's very significant that within this very short period of time, we've now gone and tested the top of this downtrend, for a second time. And this just tells me that we really are knocking on the door looking for a breakout. Do I think that markets, if we did break out that is, do I think that markets are going to go back to all-time high straight away? Absolutely not. I feel like we could be more in a situation where we find ourselves trading within a range. And that range could be, it could look something like this until we get some more clarity on the macro environment going forward. So, I am still probably bearish. I have bearish sentiment towards the S&P 500 because at current valuations, stocks are quite expensive. And if we have the earnings season and earnings that fall significantly throughout 2023, that would then have to mean that the S&P 500 has to fall lower. But this is definitely some food for thought here for the S&P 500. It's very interesting, what I've done here and drawn in this white box that we have, in fact, gone and tested the top of this downtrend in such a short period of time, and we haven't gone and created fresh lows. So this is definitely encouraging for the bulls. The S&P 500 still has a lot of work cut out, but we could potentially see a move up towards 4,100 here, which were the swing highs. And if we broke above that, then of course the next target would have to be 4,300. So definitely keep your eye on this area. Do we break higher, or do we get sent back down towards this uptrend, which perhaps sends us down towards 3,885? That's just my analysis of the S&P 500 as we go into the final stages of January. But definitely something to think about.